All right, let's get right into it. I've got this title here, Girls Only Restricted Tournament. You've seen titles like that 100 times, right? But if you run that through my new Clickbait Ethics Title Checker, you'll see exactly why it's a red flag for the algorithm. Check this out. I'm going to paste that title into the field right here. I'll hit check title and boom, you get the verdict immediately. It's flagging this as medium risk. Why? Because restricted tournament style titles read as social gatekeeping. It's basically social gate crashing, and it's a great way to get your CTR tanked by the system. The tool suggests a simple fix. Reframe it as a private lobby or invite bracket challenge. Let's try another one. How about they banned this illegal life hack? You hit check title, and the tool hits you with a high-risk warning. Why? Because illegal, forbidden, or they banned it framing looks like policy evasion or straight-up shock bait. Advertisers hate that stuff, and here is one more. Girls Only Survival Challenge. Even if the video is totally wholesome, that gender gate framing can look exclusionary in feeds. It attracts comment drama and advertiser caution. The tool flags it instantly so you can swap it for something like team versus team survival challenge before you ever hit publish. It's about keeping that curiosity without triggering the filters. I built this tool in Cursor, so it's super lightweight. You can grab the free Python desktop tool from the Files or Free Tools section over at caseybuildsit.com. Just download it, run it on your desktop, and you're good to go. Or if you want to tweak how it grades your titles, you also get the build prompt. You can open that right up in Cursor or any AI to change the logic or add your own custom rules. It's a massive time saver. If you're tired of guessing what's going to get your channel flagged, go grab it at caseybuildsit.com and stop playing the guessing game with your titles.